Hi, this is just a short video to help you change the batteries on your Netatmo outdoor module. If you look at the picture here, you can see that when the little icon appears next to the temperature at the top, that is a good sign to change the batteries. So let's get started, and I'm going to remove the module from its outdoor housing.
Okay, first we have to remove it, so very carefully unscrew it and drop it out.
Okay, now I've taken it out of its outdoor enclosure. I've given it a little bit of a brush off to get rid of some of the spiders that are hanging around. I'll remove it from the base of this. It's not particularly well secured on, there's a bit of Velcro held around there, but once it's in, it's absolutely fine, it's not going anywhere. So this is the module. Now it is quite easy to remove, it is just an unlock it from the base. So you give it, hold tight, undo it, slide it off. That's the module itself. Luckily it's got two little hand screws on top. You don't need a screwdriver for these, so you can literally just undo them. I do find if you hold it down with one hand and then you can undo both at the same time, one after the other, bit of each, and then it keeps it even until you're all the way gone. And then we just, there we are, comes off. But that's one side. Take your batteries out. You can see it does say which way they've got to go in, so you don't need to have to remember that. Old batteries, 1, 2. New batteries, in and in, just drops in like that. It does have a little locator. You can see it's got little locator pins there, so make sure you put it back in the correct way. We'll gently put it over there until the locator pins locate. We'll again hold it down, because then it makes it a lot easier just to screw these in. If you don't hold it down, it does get a bit tricky. They just want to sort of go from side to side. 1, 2. Finger tight, all done. Little lights flashing on the bottom, which hopefully will communicate with your base station. We'll now relocate it into here, and you can see, also easy, some little locks, so we'll just slide it in. Nice, and then just give it a turn. Done, there we are, that's all good. And then for putting it back outside again, I'll put it back on this. This isn't the official Netatmo one that I got, but it's actually before the official Netatmo one came out, so this was just one I got off Amazon. Let's make it nice and as tight as we can. Wrap that round. And there we are. That's good to put back up outside. Well, I hope you found that video useful. It's only a quick one just to show you how to change the batteries, but if you do like it, please like. If you really like it, subscribe. If you're interested in links for the batteries, I will put an Amazon link for these AAA batteries in the description. Until next time, bye-bye.